Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. I'm super stoked today. I've finally gotten my hands on the new QuietComfort 45 headphones. Now, these supersede the QuietComfort 35 second generation, and they pretty much look the same. They don't have that new look of the 700. That's obviously a different brand of headphones. Let's look at this. By different brand, I don't mean not Bose. It's still Bose. Anyways, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely solely funded by me. I'm a one-man show. So if you appreciate that, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out. Now, let's look at this unboxing started. Now, guys, please do let me know in the comments and all that stuff, and also basically what you guys like to see this paired up against. Okay, so I'd like this to go up against the 35 second generation QuietComfort, and I'd like to put it up against my Sony's as well, WH-1000 Mark IVs. Alright, so there you go, nice and easy. All right, let's get these out of the way. Ooh, look at that. Not bad, not too shabby at all. All right, knowing Bose, they'll have everything in here, nothing in here. So you got the manual in here, you've got some of this here. Okay, so download the Bluetooth Bose app, music app, and yeah, you should be good to go. Alright, now let's get these out of the way and get this back into the scene. Okay, wow, basically identical to, except for I think the second gen has a bit of a mesh here, or maybe it's inside, but it basically looks identical. Let's open this bad boy up. Oof, the white looks really nice, or they might want to call it silver. Okay, so no, I was wrong. I remember now. The Bose has it here. Okay, that's it. I think maybe Sony. It's good to see that they've got these pads here to protect it from itself banging around in the, and ideally you want to put these headphones like this so it doesn't scratch. Now you'll get a, from memory, USB-C to USB, okay, and you get the headphone jack. Now, knowing Bose, they do this where you have the 3.5 to something special that they use, okay, which is a pain. You can't use these with a 3.5 to a 3.5 if you've got spare one lying around. Okay, it looks pretty much the same, everything, although the leather looks and feels so much more plush and soft and luxurious. So do the cups. The cups are so soft. They're so soft. And also the speakers sit on a bit of a slant. Okay, wow, that's so nice to touch. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get these on and give you guys a review. All right, guys, that's basically the unboxing. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Thanks so much. Take good care. Bye-bye.